Now, I'm gonna review this, these 3D printed collapsing lightsabers. Got yellow, it's more greenish, blue, red. 3D printed collapsible, fully 3D printed collapsible lightsabers. These ones, these are unlike the power sabers. These are actual lightsabers. Those other ones that kind of look like generic lightsabers. These are retractable lightsabers. I never saw any other one. This is a collapsing lightsaber, a 3D model by 3D printing and mold. That would look like a really cool toy. And see, it reminds me again. It reminds me of the telescopic lightsaber. It's got a telescopic blade. I think this one is whitish. It looks orangish to me, but that one's got an entirely original kind of. These see, 3D printed ones. That's red, green, blue, and purple. I've seen someone who's actually made stuff like that. I've seen someone who's made. But they go like Lego. You know, it kind of looks like a Lego hilt. And then there's Joy Fear's collapse. These are fully collapsed. These ones, as you can see, are fully collapsible. That one, it looks like it's kind of made of foam, but it's 3D printed, so it's a 3D print. This is a 3D printed collapsible lightsaber. It's a full blade. That's another one. Fully retractable and collapsible. Fully retractable and collapsible. Mm. 3D printed collapsing lightsabers. These are really cool. So 3D printed collapsible light. That's red and that's orange. Pretty cool. It's a red one. Another one. Again, it kind of looks like one of those telescopic lightsabers from back in the day. Does anyone remember this? Here's another one. That's blue and that's red. Again, it looks really cool. It's like fully collapsible. There's another one. Here's another one. So, you know, it kind of looks like Lego, but. And here's some of these. Kind of looks like a 3D print. 3D print. Collapsing lightsaber. I know it looks like one of those like lightsabers, but